Actually, I heard that. Um, she's in Cayman right now again.
Yeah, yeah. Baby, your body on fire. Could I get you right and fulfill your desires? Your body smoking, I think we should light up. Roll with me. Yeah, yeah. Baby, your body on fire. Could I?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, as you can see, it's your girl Kimi. So basically what we're going today, we are going to a farm. So it's called Cayman Farm. Yeah, with my family. Yes, I'm just bringing you along on the journey with me. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, turn over to the channel and also subscribe. Peace out.
Through to this area, and most of the plants there are family of citrus. So as you can see here, yeah, those are the olive tree. I think the only olive tree in Cayman Rock, but I don't know in Grand Cayman if they have. Yeah, so right now they have fruits, but they're very tiny, so we're using the trees as a shade and decoration of the farm right now. Yeah, because we cannot use these small ones for extract the oil from the olive. So right now it's only for decoration. So hopefully this coming years they will become more bigger. So yep, my guys was in vacation right now, so a little bit plants right now that we can see, and we will try some of the fruits over there later. And here, as you can notice, we have also sweet potatoes. So they have porpos and also callalus. We plant callalus everywhere because of the rock iguana. Yeah, so they are protected, so we avoid them to go in that part, so they have something to eat instead to go there, something like that. So still we have harvest in this area. And
iguana. You can't feed iguana.
Yep. Those leaves
They
only.
eat them.
The
Iguana, you
no. No, madam. Actually, in Grand Cayman, I heard that they
eat them.
They eat them, but
persons eat the green one.
the green one,
Yeah.
but the rock one are protected. So yes, so that's why we plant for iguanas, because they are protected here.
So
They
you
allow-
should have 15,
they allow
20
to
them and
eat
send them
whatever
over
they
in
want.
the Spanish town.
Yeah, that's actually special dish for them. So this is the one of the important part of the farm, the cistern or the water tank. So we consider it also one of the expensive part of farming, because we can spend around 7,000 to 8,000 gallons of water every day for watering the plants. So all the waters came from the water authority, so we need to order by truck every day. So they say we're the customer of water authority here in the ground. So we are using also drip irrigation for watering the plants. So you can see, so we have 36 stations of that. So one day is not enough, so it's continuous running the irrigation every day. So yeah, we have spices over there also. We have a lot of different types. We have habanero, Saskatchewan, like that. On the wall,
Yeah.
those are dragon fruit. Yes, one of the expensive fruits in Cayman Island, but one of the easiest plants that can grow here. They're a family of cactus vines, so this means it's less maintenance, less effort, because this is their potential weather to grow. It's very hot like that. So we have also Persian lime in that area. Yeah, Persian limes. They're shaped like a regular lemon in the store. They're limes. And you can see also here miracle berry, if you heard about that before. And did you try it before, like miracle berries? There's very small berries that when you eat it, all the sour taste will turn in sweet taste.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I see that.
Yes. Did you hear about that?
Eat like
Actually-
a lemon after eat them, it tastes sweet.
No.
No.
Okay, so we will try it later. And they have a lot of benefits actually. They're using as a medicine, especially for diabetic people like that.
Yeah, we've got loads of conditions in here.
And this building is for the guests. This is the farm lunch. And those dry fruits over there, they came from here before, and we are using them for cooking pizza. So every Thursday we have pizza night at the restaurant.
They got restaurant and this one.
So we have farm and we have restaurant. So the idea of the company is farm to table. The concept is farm to table. All right. So we can have also here. We have also key limes. So we don't have any problem with limes. So if you want to take some of the limes, oh yeah, I will give it to you later. We still have a lot over there. So
These start with sweet or
actually, there's a two season of their taste here. This star fruit. There's a season of sour and there's a season of sweet. So when they get a lot of water, they will turn in sour taste. So when it's summertime like this, but not in this fruit trees because we have a lot of water here. So they are
sour.
yeah, sour. But when it's summertime, like no rain, it's enough, only water is enough, they are very sweet. So key limes, those are key limes in that area. So as you can see, they have a lot of fruits again coming like that. So many vines.
Cheerful. Wow.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes, they have a lot
one
of
only.
fruits again. So that is the key limes. And yeah, star fruit, and this is the nibble orange. If you heard about nibble
the farm.
orange before.
How's the leaves?
The common orange in the store that you can buy. The orange, yes. But here, we cannot wait to turn in orange color because of the situation of the weather. So we pick them when they're green, but they're still sweet. Yes, the only problem is they are not attractive to buy, so that's why. So we're just using it for cutting fruits for our guests like that. Yes. So that's nibble orange. And we have also civil orange. If you heard about civil orange, I know that you are familiar with the swanky juice. Actually, that's the orange that they are using it for swanky juice. Yes, so they are sour orange, they will not turn in sweet taste. And also we have rough lemon over there. We have grapefruit, satsuma orange, like that. Banana area, we have a lot of different type of bananas.
Oh.
And we have some figs as well over here.
What is this?
Sweet fruit.
Thick.
Yeah, so normally you can see them only in Southeast Asia, but here they bear very well also. They have a lot of fruits every time. But the problem is we cannot harvest any ripe of them because of the banana pit bird. As you can see, yeah, they came here every time to try if they're ready to eat. Like that. So before we cover it by net to save some fruits for the guests, but we observed that in the season of tomato we cannot get any good crop of tomato, good fruit because of the bird. So we open it for the bird as a sacrificial kind of fruit. So we need to balance also the flow of nature here. For the birds, especially cayman parrots, the beautiful cayman parrots. Yeah, but little bit terrible. Yes. So we have also cayman cherries right there. It's also for birds. But if we have a lot, we actually make juice as well. Yes. And yep, you can see also cactuses there, pineapples, and also yeah, we have fence here because of the iguana. So we just plant sorrel inside. We have also June plum right there. And yeah, this is the rough lemon look like. Because of their skin. Yeah, but this is not their original actually size of fruit. So the original size of this fruit is twice like this size.
Really?
Yes, but because of the cross pollination, yeah, because of the bees, they are bloom at the same time every time. So the bees cross pollinated, so it will change the texture of their skin, size, also the taste. Yes, because we have also tangerine right there. That's sweet before, but now it's very sour because they planted, yes, in the middle of sour fruit trees. Just like that. And also this part. Yes, so we have also calamundin or Philippine lime. That's only the size that they can get.
Really? That's fine.
Yeah. So yeah, we will try it also. They are very very small but very very sour. For juice, special juice. Yeah. Yes, you need to
They're so
have a
small.
patience for squeezing those things because they're very small. So it's good for sauce also like that. And yes, you can notice we maintain some calamus over here because that area, that bushes over there, that's the territory of the iguana. So yeah, still we black this way to get in that part. And we have also chilies. So we have this Taiwan chili. It's very spicy. Also, we have also scotch bonnet, seasoning peppers, long green chilies, kind of all chilies already, and passion fruit. I know that you're familiar with passion fruit. So we have two colors of that. We have the purple and the yellow one. We have also chocolate habaneros. Yes, it sounds delicious, but they're very sour. Oh, spicy. Sorry. So, and also here, yeah, we have small snacks for you here. So we'll stop here and we will try some of the fruits, and we have some juice for you. Okay. Try the cookies. We have the coconut macaron, oatmeal cookies, and chocolate cookies. Right. Yeah, you can just
Don't be
try.
shy.
So what type of cookie did you say?
Chocolate and oatmeal.
Oatmeal and the coconut one.
You know, I'm gonna pick coconut.
Cinnamon.
So just today, this is a fresh key lime juice.
Nice. Coconut's really nice. isn't it?
Mom, try some.
What's that?
Yeah.
It's better than Subway.
Key lime juice.
Oh, I really like that.
Yeah, but you don't have to hit me.
Yeah,
How does it taste? Sour.
No, very nice. I like sour.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Get one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. It's hard to find the queen of bee because the this is the Philippine lime that I was mentioned earlier over there.
It's like a chocolate brownie from heaven.
You like sweet, madam?
Oh, I like this. Who makes these? You?
Filipino chef. Yeah. But that's
This is so
original,
It's very sour.
original recipe of Miss Marjana.
Yeah.
Yes, those are original.
Okay.
Actually, I heard that. She's in Grand Cayman right now again. At least 1 minute in your mouth. No, try it.
No, it makes it sweet.
Yeah,
It'll
this
change the
is
taste
the
next to
miracle
Just
berry.
have sweet.
Try it.
Try this one. This is sweet actually.
It's an experience.
Yes. So at least 1 minute in your mouth.
So what do you do? Eat this, that, and this.
Yeah. No, just
This first.
yes. I gave you this. I gave you the sour one to prove that they're very sour. And after that, I give you that miracle berry, and put all the things in your mouth. Sack it at least a minute and try it again after that.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This is more
So that's why.
Put it in your mouth and suck.
Oh,
Okay. So now just try for the sour one.
I accidentally swallowed it.
Okay. That's sour.
I accidentally swallowed it.
Okay. No worries.
You took through one.
Okay. Get
Sorry.
one. That's
the
fine.
whole pit.
Yeah.
Try it.
yeah, just.
I was touching the chocolate and swallowed
Grow
it.
your belly
And
down.
then,
Yeah.
you try these again.
Yeah, just to eat properly, eat it like a minute
minute.
and sack it up, sack the flesh. Like 1 minute.
Not everything was sweet to me, so I took it back out. It tastes like sugar.
Remember, it was sour first.
And yeah, and you can just try it again, those sour things. Just slowly bite into it.
Mmm.
Yep. So
That's
the-
crazy.
yeah, miracle berry does. It will change That is sour taste to sweet taste, and it will last until 45 minutes to 1 hour in your tongue. So that's why they are using it as a medicine, especially the diabetic people like that, because they can drink a juice without sugar. Like that. And also, it's a good trick for the kids. They don't like to eat tomatoes like that. But after miracle berry, yeah, they will. Yes. But you can eat now like a very sweet cherry.
You sell the miracle fruit plant?
Actually, now, madam, we did that. We will try to propagate a lot, and
This
we
is
will open
cayman
it
cherry.
soon to sell. Like that. So that's
Do you know what that tastes like? Jamaican apple. Right. It tastes like the apple.
inside.
Yeah.
Yes. So when they're young and tender, the loofah inside is not developed, so they can cook it also. Especially Chinese people like it so much because they give different aroma in their, noodles, something like that.
It's pretty good for you.
Yeah.
Scrub the skin.
They're more light actually when they are, fresh.
Who's this? Yours?
All right, hold on.
That's it. Because
You feel the sticky?
Ginger, common ginger. And we have rosemary, like that.
Oh, if you like, you can be with the true.
And this is the pepper that I'm talking about.
Of course.
oh, it's hurt my eyes.
Okay, wait, we touch it.
Cupid.
Hottest pepper in the world. This one I got too hot.
Okay, so
What is the name of it?
that's Carolina Reaper.
Reaper, the name alone.
Someone come on my yard and bother me now. Can I keep this one?
Yes.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
thank you.
No, don't
You
even
can,
touch it.
plant it also. Yeah, no.
Okay.
Obviously,
You can't touch that.
You don't want to plant this one? Hottest pepper in
That
the
is
world.
still the pepper that's holding the word.
Let me see, let me see.
The word record.
This is the hottest pepper in the world, guys.
One guy said in England,
Can't you pronounce the name?
hot pepper.
Caroline
and informed
Reaper.
that it
Color-
cure
what?
cancer.
Caroline?
The heat and
Caroline
the
Reaper.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Like the reaper that takes you to death.
That's a good name for it.
No worries about that.
They look the same now.
Yeah. Just that it doesn't
Don't
have
get
the
mixed
pointed part.
Well, that's nice. Real food, nice
Yeah.
flavors.
Don't get it
Nice,
mixed
nice,
up.
nice.
Why should Dad put that in this food?
Yeah, man, you put it. I have.
No, the other one, the Carolina Reaper.
no, no,
Looks
no.
the same. Look.
Like keep that in the back by it.
Yeah.
One have
Yeah.
tail and one don't.
Yes.
So one kind of point.
We have still a lot of fruit right now. So one of the plants can produce more than 100 fruits in a year. So their season is around May, and they will end around mid of November. So you have a lot of.
One Iggy.
Yeah, the baby one. We have a lot here, but
That baby. So what's the big one like?
Massive.
big like a dog. The size of. The,
Did they eat limes?
They what they want.
As I hold on, because
Oh,
there's
there's one
one
there.
that's always go for the back of the truck.
There's
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
The size of this one, yours.
So big.
All right. That's the one.
Do they bite?
When they hurt, they will bite, but they're scared actually. Yes.
Bite me.
Yeah.
Oh, you know the difference between
Yeah.
the male. This one.
That's the female one. You can notice it. Yes, and also they have a big cheek as well. We have more than 100 plants here. Like, this one.
That one running away.
And we have also stairs here. We have steps going straight to the main house. That's the guest stairs, and we have one more right there.
So these are the fruits from the farm.
We didn't have a harvest this week, so only the fruit, they pick up the fruit and brought it. So I have pomegranate at 50 cents each. I have the key limes at $1. Oh, okay.
Soup?
Yeah,
What kind?
I'm not sure.